the inside, that handle with care, and Leader's Dream out fast for the early lead, banging up between horses into that turn. Go Shirley's Bow. Leader's Dream takes the lead. Shirley's Bow out there second, handle with care third. Starport half out there fourth, racing in fifth to the quarter. Nicarawantis, Leroy, Young Queen in sixth, Andy Lobel at the end. Down to the quarter, up on the front end, Shirley's Bow takes the lead. Leader's Dream is second, up on the outside, Starport half third. The quarter in a bristling 27 and 4. That's Starport half now moving up with Young Quinn after in second. Racing in third is Shirley's Bow in fourth, Leader's Dream. Racing fifth to the club turn, handle with care. Nicarawantis, Leroy, and Andy Lobel. Young Quinn leads the length over to the half mile, racing second, Starport half. Shirley's Bow is third with Leader's Dream fourth. They move off the half-mile mark in 56 and 2. On the front end, it's Young Quinn, the leader, a length and a half. Racing in second position is Starport half with Leader's Dream coming on third. Handle with care moves up fourth. Racing in fifth, Shirley's Bow. Nicarawantis, Leroy is sixth, trailing the field. Andy Lobel. Young Quinn stays a length and three-quarters. Starport half is racing second. Leader's Dream is third. Down along the rail fourth. Shirley's Bow by the three-quarters. 125 and 4/5. The world's records in jeopardy. On the front end, Young Quinn leads by 2. Racing in second is Starport half. In the lane, it's Young Quinn by 3. Starport half. Closing ground is Shirley's Bow. Young Quinn's under urging. Shirley's Bow comes on. That's Shirley's Bow taking the lead. Young Quinn racing second. Shirley's Bow, Young Quinn, Starport half. But it's Shirley's Bow. At mile 155, 5, Shirley's Bow, the unofficial winner.